What's poppin', everybody? Welcome to another episode of the Zen RSA. If this is your first time, my name is Gqeberha, and in this show we tour the most comfortable, the most affordable, the most luxurious student accommodations in and around South Africa. In today's episode, we tour one of the most beautiful accommodations that we could find here in Summersrand, Port Elizabeth. So if you're interested in staying in Summersrand, Port Elizabeth, this is what Port Elizabeth had to offer. In today's episode, we are at Gqeberha Street, pardon my language. We're at Gqeberha Street and we'll be checking out one of the private accommodations that are actually available, that are mixed gender, and we will be showing you how everything looks from the rooms to the placement and how everything has been placed. This is Gqeberha Avenue. As you enter the place from this side, that's when all of their rooms actually start. So right now we'll be touring, or we'll be going through the bachelor suite, showing you how the bachelor suite actually looks like. Then from then on, we'll be showing you how the rooms are actually structured, how the equipment or the furniture is actually placed. Then from then we will be showing you how everything looks from the interior point of view. Let's go to the bachelor suite. As you can see, students are already occupying the space, hence the washing, hence the laundry of students, because there are actually students who are living here. That's showing you that this place is habitable and people can actually enjoy living in this space. Right now we are going to the bachelor suite, showing you how the furniture and everything has been placed. You can come in. You're not disturbing, you know? You don't want to appear. You don't want to appear.
No, there's no problem.
As you enter from the sliding door, this is where you'll actually be spending most of your time sleeping and enjoying, because you have to get your rest if you want to actually succeed at your studies. As you see, the occupant of this place, he's actually our manager. Thanks to him, we're able to get this space. So from here, you have your sleeping area. Then from this point, that's where you have your storage facilities here and here and here. So it's a single place, only a single person is living here, so it has much more space and much more room to accommodate you, since it's a bachelor suite, right? So as you enter inside, this is your bathroom. From this side, it's your bathroom area. Then here are your showers. If you can look, everything has been placed so beautifully, right? Then here you have extra storage for your clothes and for this is the storage area, storage facility, having extra space for your specific needs. Then also even in this side, we also have other storage place. So this is for a single room for a single person to actually occupy here. It's actually a big space. As you can see here, it's your showers. That side is your living area slash your bedding, right? This is where you'll actually be sleeping. So this is currently we are going to one of the student rooms, actually, since we just showed you the bachelor suite, how the bachelor suite is, or how it actually looks. So this place is 12 rooms with the extension of the bachelor suite. So all of these rooms inside, on the external side, they designed the same way. They're designed the same way. So we'll be showing you how actually the rooms are designed, right? Then as you enter, so this is a communal area. The only thing that you actually share with your fellow flatmate, it's only the lounge area and the kitchen. So this is actually the communal area with private single rooms. Since this room on its own, there are only 2 students, correct? 2 students. There are only 2 students that are actually living here with 2 single rooms. So the only thing that you will be sharing is the lounge area and the kitchen and the bathroom. So right now we're taking you through how the actual rooms are looking, right? So as you can see, this is a very huge room with a double bed, a study area with your lamp that side. And then here you have your storage area. If you can look at it, it's a very, very huge storage area for a person who's living in a single room, right? So it's usually a lot of students' accommodation. It's a single bed. So here it's a double bed. So you have to see how big the space is. I'm only standing here and there's extra space with a double bed. There's your study lamp, your study table that side, and this is a huge storage area for your clothes because you can put your groceries that side because there are only 2 students living in a single room in a room that you're only sharing the lounge area and the kitchen. So this is our storage facilities here. Sorry about that noise. So this on its own is a very huge and very beautiful space that it is. Remember, it's only 12 rooms with the extension of the bachelor suite with 1 room, and each room looks like this with only 2 students that are occupying it with this huge area for living space. You can come here, you can even host a mate nyana, relax. So this is in the kitchen. In the kitchen you have your storage area from that side to this side. Then you have a single fridge. Then you have your kitchen top that side with your snappy chef stove 2 plate. It's a snappy chef 2 plate. Then this like your kitchen area, very intimate indeed for 2 people that are actually living together. So and then you go to the lounge area with these beautiful furnished sofas with this coffee table right here and your actual TV, your actual television with the, I don't know what this is. What is this called? I don't know what this is. I don't know what is it called. A TV stand. I'm not sure what it's called. I'm not sure what it's called. Then this is a very intimate space, and there's a sliding door with an extra cushion to close this space off for only 2 people that are actually living here. And then for lighting, see, it's a very well organized and very beautiful space with a top up of only 600 rand. 600 rand, 690, right, top up on top of your NSFAS amount. This is an accredited space, so it is a very beautiful space with only a minimum of the top up amount. This has been another great episode. This has been the Zen RSA. Catch you next time.